Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is perfect for our little flying friends out there. So if you are looking for a great birdhouse, this product is going to be for you. So this was sent over by a company called Vinguys. It's a really cool birdhouse. So first off, you're going to get a little user manual here. It tells you about it. We're going to go over the features. It's pretty straightforward. Now, one of the cool things about this birdhouse is there is multiple ways to attach it. So whatever your setup is, you're probably pretty covered. They're going to include these two nice metal brackets here, easy to turn. So this is how you're going to attach it if you want to attach it to like a steel pole or a metal pole, for example. They also include a little strap here. Now, I don't really use this, but if you want to tie it around a tree or something and you want to just do a strap without putting holes in the tree, they give you this option as well. Now, what I like is the super heavy duty metal bracket here. It's nice and stable. As you can see, it's got the little hooks here to hang it. Now, you can use the strap across this because this is how you're going to mount the birdhouse itself. Same thing with these. You can slide these over if you wish. But yeah, it's going to come with some nice screws and an anchors. And then this is adjustable. There's a little pin down here that you can pull down. So you can mount your birdhouse at any angle. So if your mounting is at here and you want the birdhouse facing, you can adjust that, which is pretty cool itself. But here is the birdhouse, and it's like a little modern house, if you will. Has a nice modern look to it. Whole metal roof. So this has got just a wood covering, and then it's got a nice little metal part on it, so when the rain hits it, it's going to last a lot better. All the front of it is made out of wood. Now, you'll notice here on the front, it's got three little holes. Now, this is kind of the size of bird you're trying to attract, because you can utilize this for finches, chickadees, bluebirds, blue jays, etc. So the biggest hole here is 1.75 inches in diameter. Then you can turn it and get to the middle hole, which is 1.5 inches. And then you can turn it to the smallest one and then get, which is just basically 1 inch. So once again, obviously the big birds aren't going to use the smaller hole. So you can kind of choose what you want as far as who you're wanting to track. Now, another thing I love about this is see how you have the side door here? This big old door, which fully opens, makes it super easy to clean. You can easily get rid of the old nest when it's out of season and scrub it up. You got plenty of room to maneuver your hand. Also in the inside from the hole, you'll notice it does have some fledging, so that way the birds can climb if they wish. And then it does have, to anchor the side thing down, there is some metal clips here at the bottom, so that way the door doesn't accidentally like swing open or whatnot in the wind, so that way it's nice and secure. It also does have on the bottom here in the corners, it does have some little breathe holes, so that way it does get a little air circulation in here. And then you can see also a nice big metal plate. This is what you're going to mount the metal bracket to. And you're gonna see, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little holes here. And that's what's gonna allow this to be at whatever angle you want as far as displaying your birdhouse here. Now, to give you an idea of the size of this thing, it is about 11 inches wide. It's about 6.5 inches in depth and about 10.25 inches to the top part. But overall, it's very easy to install, looks very, very nice, and it's super easy to clean, which is a big thing with birdhouses. You want something that's easy to clean, so that way they keep coming back. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great birdhouse, this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.